Okay, today I'm taking a look at the Kauplus 4-piece snap ring pliers set. Okay. So this one is for an outer ring, and the reason you can tell is because you can pull it and it pulls apart. So that's going to pull a spring apart, so you can lift it off of usually a shaft or something like that. There we go. Well, here we got another exterior. So this one's going to be if you don't have a lot of room on the sides, you can plunge in, pull it apart, and pull that snap ring off. Whereas with this one is if you don't have a lot of room in the front of it, you can wiggle it in, grab it, and then pull it off. You definitely want both of these if you're going to be doing anything maintenance, that kind of work. So these must be the inside rings. Right. So with these ones, when you squeeze, it pulls together. So that's for applications where the rings have to compress to pull them out. So that's going to be sitting inside of some kind of a cylinder. So you would grab it, squeeze, and then pull that snap ring out. So we got our 90, and then we got our straight. Yeah, so I mean, the thing that I'm noticing with these is that they all feel real heavy duty. Like these feel like solid metal. And the thing I like about this is it's got kind of a crab claw grip to it. Most of them, they want to go in straight, but you can actually hit on the arms themselves. And this one, it's designed to really get a good pinch. See, when it comes together, only the points are pinching. So that means you can get these things a little thicker. You don't want them too thick. You definitely want them to still be able to fit inside a snap ring. So these are the perfect size, but you can also get them to pinch very, very close together. So that's awesome. They've all got this nice rubber texture on here, so it's not going to be slipping out. And almost everything I do is super oily, so you definitely have to have something like that. So this is nice. I think this is just really a nice complete set. We got both of our 90s, we got both of our straights, we got inside, we got outside. It's everything you need. So beautiful set.